Are you still spending hours every week updating spreadsheets by hand? Whether you're tracking sales, inventory, invoices, payroll, or expenses, Excel can automate much of your work if you know the right tricks. Today I'll show you 15 Excel tips that can save small business owners hours every week, reduce costly mistakes, and make your spreadsheets look like they were built by a professional. Let's jump right in. One of the biggest mistakes people make is keeping data in a regular spreadsheet. Instead, select your data and press Ctrl-T. Excel tables automatically expand when new rows are added, apply filters, keep formulas consistent, and work perfectly with pivot tables. If you only learn one thing today, make it this. Scrolling through hundreds of rows, go to View, then Freeze Panes. Now your headers stay visible while you scroll. It's a simple change that makes large spreadsheets much easier to read. Want Excel to highlight important information automatically? Use conditional formatting. Highlight overdue invoices in red, show low inventory in yellow, mark high sales in green, and flag duplicate invoice numbers. Instead of searching manually, let Excel point out what needs attention. If you're still using VLOOKUP, it's time to upgrade. XLOOKUP is easier to read, more flexible, and can search in any direction. Type a customer ID and automatically retrieve their name, phone number, email, and balance due. No more manual searching. Need a sales report in seconds? Select your data and choose Insert, then Pivot Table. Now you can instantly summarize sales by employee, sales by month, expenses by department, and profit by customer. No formulas required. Stop typing errors before they happen. Create drop-down lists for departments, vendors, payment status, employee names, and inventory categories. This keeps your data clean and consistent. Need to split names or combine information? Type one example, then press Ctrl-E. Excel recognizes the pattern and fills the rest automatically. It's one of the fastest ways to clean up data. Duplicate customers, duplicate invoices, duplicate inventory. Select your data, then go to Data, then Remove Duplicates. Review the results before saving, especially if duplicate records might represent legitimate transactions. Here are a few you'll use every day. Ctrl-T creates a table. Ctrl-Shift-L toggles filters. Ctrl plus the arrow keys jump to the end of a data range. Ctrl-semicolon inserts today's date. And Ctrl-Shift$ applies currency formatting. Learning a handful of shortcuts can save a surprising amount of time over the course of a year. Need to total sales for one customer or one department? Use SUMIFs. Total sales this month. Total purchases by vendor. Total expenses for marketing. It gives you powerful reporting without building complex pivot tables. Don't overwhelm people with rows of numbers. Create line charts, column charts, pie charts, and KPI dashboards. Visuals help you and your team spot trends quickly. Prevent accidental edits by locking formulas or key cells. Protect the worksheet so users can enter data where needed without changing your calculations. If you repeat the same task every day, record it once. Format reports, print invoices, import data, clean spreadsheets. Macros can turn a 15-minute task into a one-click process. Bring your key numbers into one place. Track revenue, expenses, profit, open invoices, and inventory levels. A dashboard gives you a snapshot of your business without digging through multiple worksheets. When formulas aren't enough, VBA can automate entire workflows. Merge dozens of workbooks, email reports automatically, create PDF invoices, import daily sales, clean large data sets, and generate management reports. Even learning a few basic VBA routines can save hours every month. Excel is much more than a spreadsheet. For many small businesses, it's a reporting system, budgeting tool, inventory tracker, customer database, and financial dashboard, all in one. The more you automate, the more time you have to focus on growing your business instead of updating spreadsheets. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe to Smart Buyer Media. Every week, we share practical Excel tips, VBA automation, AI tools, business software, and money-saving strategies designed to help small businesses work smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.